In the last video for Stitch the Season 2025, I prepared the pages for this book. And once again, I will link Daniela's videos in the description in case you want to go check it out. She is the one who came up with this beautiful project. And I'm just following along. So what we did was pinned 2 of the inner pages together, stitched 2 of the inner pages together with the pocket, and we attached the back and front covers with a piece of felt inside. Today we're going to be working on prompt 1, which is vertical. Let's take a moment to look at Sleeping Beauty. Hello, handsome. And now let's go look at some trims. Let's pull some ribbons and lace that we can use for the vertical prompt. Daniela used ribbons, and I'm gonna do the same because I have so many. And this is a good opportunity to use some of these things. So I will just go through my stash and pull out a couple of things that I think could work for this page. Here's what I pulled out. I don't know yet what I'm going to use from this selection, but we will play around and see what it looks like. And then I have this piece of fabric with a nutcracker on it, and he's vertical, so I thought maybe he would look good on this page. I got the fabric with the nutcracker on it from Dollar Tree, and their fabrics are very nice, but also very thin. You can see here that it's already fraying and I haven't even begun stitching yet. So I'm going to add some iron-on adhesive, I think, just so I don't have any trouble. I want to use this lace on the edge of the page. I can't decide if I want to put it on top or sandwich it in between. I'm just going to play around with it and see what I like. I'm ready to attach my nutcracker to the page, and I decided I'm going to put him on the left side rather than in the middle. I'm not really happy with the way this is looking so far, so I think I'm going to change it up a bit. I think I'm going to make this gold ribbon a little bit longer. want to make sure I'm only stitching through this one layer of fabric, so I'm going to go ahead and move the rest out of the way. I'm going to add a little bit of blue embroidery floss because it matches the vest of the Nutcracker, and I just think it would look really nice on this page. I've decided to sandwich this lace in between the pages. I think it'll just look nicer that way. I'm still only stitching onto this one layer of fabric. I don't want to join this with the front cover just yet because I will be decorating that before we stitch the pages together. I want to embellish this area somehow, so I pulled out some buttons and beads and things, and let's try them out and see what looks good. Going with these beads, I think they are perfect. The red and green, and one side of these is kind of shiny. I can't decide though. Should I use the shiny side or not? This is what I ended up doing. Only the one in the middle is shiny, and I kind of like it that way. This page is now complete, and I will see you soon for prompt number 2.